Hi, I'm Nick Azad, and I'm part of the team over at Parsec. You're about to watch our summary for our maintenance webinar. You can expect to learn how you can maximize capacity utilization, increase on-time delivery, reduce maintenance costs, and extend equipment lifespan, all through the use of a single, unified MOM platform. To watch the full webinar, as well as subscribe to our upcoming ones, please visit the link at the end of this video. With that, let's dive in. Making it as simple as possible. That is our approach to managing maintenance predictively with TrakSYS as an integral part of digitizing manufacturing operations. TrakSYS efficiently manages your equipment maintenance schedules, availability of spare parts, and assignment of labor resources, enabling your factory to resolve breakdowns quickly. More importantly, TrakSYS uses data from your equipment and analytics to better predict and prevent issues before they become costly equipment breakdowns. TrakSYS manages preventative maintenance schedules via condition monitoring based on equipment runtime, performance, and quality of production. TrakSYS automatically notifies the designated personnel when a machine requires attention based on predicted behavior or scheduled maintenance. Production operators can also initiate maintenance requests manually based on their observations. When submitting maintenance requests, operators are provided downtime trends, frequencies, and machine conditions like vibration and temperature to better prioritize corrective actions. TrakSYS functions as a unified data hub, making scheduling activities seamless. Maintenance planners can cross-reference maintenance requests, production schedules that show equipment availability, current parts inventory, and labor schedules. This significantly minimizes the time to respond to maintenance requests. Teams will have a common source for equipment history, corrective actions, observations, manuals, drawings, and SOPs. All that information is available anytime from any device, including tablets and smartphones. The intuitive TrakSYS maintenance dashboards allow you to monitor maintenance-related KPIs, work order statuses, equipment performance, operator logs, response and wrench times, as well as what percentage of time is being spent on reactive versus preventative and predictive work. I appreciate you taking the time to watch our video. To view the full-length webinar, feel free to click on the link. If you have any questions for us pertaining to any other area of production, we would love to hear from you. Thanks again.